Hello everyone, welcome back to the Essential SQL series. Today we are going to learn about AI. In the past few months, there has been a lot of traction and a lot of attention to the AI tool ChatGPT, and we would like to see how it can be used to leverage our knowledge of SQL, how to learn SQL better, and get solutions to some problems, or simply get some solution that we can tweak and get an answer to a question. So let's begin by opening bing.com, and here you can see an option called chat. When I click on this, I directly enter the chat GPT module, and here I can have the setting to more precise, and now we'll be asking questions. I have chosen top 3 questions by the number of views from the channel, and we will try to see what the answers here are versus what the answers ChatGPT gives us. So I will simply say write SQL query to from Chinook database, which is the one that we have used. Let's copy this and let's add it to this editor. Without reading through much, let's do one thing. Let's simply execute this. We have 2 rows of data, one for each of the year 2010 and 2012 with owner count as 10, and then in this solution let's see what it has. So first, there is no table called invoice, so let me edit it. Invoices, invoice items, tracks, owners, customers, and we can see here it has given customer IDs, customer name, and wherever the owner is more than 10. So let's see for the customer how Fernandez, we have it here. Yes, so we have alternative and punk and so on. The reason for the difference here will be that it has taken, if a customer have sales in more than 1 year, it is adding all the owners. However, in this case we have taken only 1 year at a time. However, this solution is quite close, so I give it 8 out of 10. If we understand what we need, we can slightly modify it to get the solution we require. Let's take a look at the second question. Again, I write the same thing. So we have got the solution. Again, I'll copy it quickly. Here we know some changes that we need to make. Customers, invoice become invoices, invoice line, invoice items, tracks, owners. Let's see the output, and we see 31 rows for each owner. I see customer ID, name, and total sales. And here we see almost the same out, exact 31 rows. Alternative Frank Ralston 79.3. So the answer is exactly the same as what we get except for the rounding, but I still give it a 10 on 10 because we have not mentioned rounding anywhere. So as we can see here, the answer was very close. Let's move to the next one. Let's take the final solution and add it here. First, let's update the table names, employees, customers, invoices. Get the solution. I have 3 employee ID support rep, and here support rep contain total sales. Jane Peacock, Margaret Park, and Steve Johnson. Again, as we can see, the answer is spot on. So here I give it again a 10 on 10. So couple of things to keep in mind when using ChatGPT. Try to be as precise as possible. Give more details so you get right answer. If you don't get the right answer in the first time, try to understand what else can be done to get a more suitable answer. Most importantly, you should know what's the output of your question and how do you interpret it. It's a very powerful tool, so make the best use of it. Overall, for this video, I would definitely give it a 9 on 10 for the answer is it has given. And if you want, you can further ask for explanations. If you're stuck for a topic, you can ask for an explanation with examples. You will get everything. In this new era of AI, I think you must take the best advantage of this tool to grow your career, learn, and excel in whatever you do. That's it for this video. Keep learning. Thank you.